So here's the striker plate repair. We took a piece of steel and made some marks that lined up the exact location of the striker plate on the X and the Y. You can see the red marks there. And we located it to the this exact spot here. You can see there's a line we made there that comes all the way out to here. And we just took a measurement really off of the edge of this door into the center of this bolt, and then came over here and transferred the measurement from here and found that center. And that's how we came up with this line here that comes across, and then this one here. So that located exactly where the bolt needed to be. And the bolt has a flange on it here. It comes with this washer. And on the back of this plate, we just welded a 7/16 nut. And these are just stainless steel button screws, and inside there are some threaded rivets. So this is the threaded insert kit you can use to put these riveted in threaded inserts into the sheet metal. This is the tool that installs them. These are the various bits. And there's a chart here that shows the material thickness and a layout of which sizes are included, and the refills, and instructions on how it works. And they tell you the drill bit size to use for the various inserts. And this is from Dorman. This was the replacement door striker. The repair made by the previous owner, Duke University. And that's what they did. They scabbed on a piece of steel. And they got the same, looks like that might be welded. Yeah. That works pretty good.
Man, you did a great job on it. I'm tickled pink, man. Hell yeah. Yeah, thanks.